Another day done here at Patriots training camp. We're on to August 2nd, just one day before the big birthday celebration here at camp. August 3rd, Tom Brady turns 40 tomorrow, and I should note, first of all, that his last pass in his 30s was actually intercepted. The honor goes to Jonathan Jones. He actually made a great catch in the end zone. Tried to get him to talk about it. He just said he's getting better. It's kind of how things roll here. Today was an interesting day. A couple things that jump out. Number one, there is some attrition in the wide receiver corps for sure today in a group that already is a little bit thin because Danny Amendola is limited and Malcolm Mitchell is limited. We saw both Matthew Slater and Chris Hogan have to leave a little bit early, get some treatment and not return. So that means that the door is open for some of the younger guys. I had a chance to talk with Austin Carr after practice today. That's someone you probably don't know a lot about, but you will get a chance to hear from him. Really impressive kid, getting some opportunities, appreciative of what he's getting in terms of coaching both sides of the ball, really, not just the guys on the offensive side, but the guys on the defensive side as well. He's an interesting guy that I got a kick out of hearing from. We also got a chance to hear from Deatrich Wise, who's really soaking in some of the coaching he's getting from Rob Ninkovich, who showed up here on the practice field today. And obviously, anybody who's followed this team for a long time is going to understand how important it is to have a guy like Rob Ninkovich helping these players out. He completely understands everything they need to know about the league today. It's not a game he played 5-10 years ago. It's a game he played as recently as a couple of months ago through OTA. So Rob being out here on the field was, I think, very helpful to some of these young guys who are trying to fill the gap with some of the vets gone. Chris Long, Rob Ninkovich, obviously Jabal Sheard no longer here. Trey Flowers has been a big help to a guy like Deatrich Wise. He talked about that. I'm also working on it. It may not come out today, but a story on the offensive line. Got a chance to talk with Joe Tooney. Yesterday I talked with David Andrews, and today I talked with Shaq Mason. So I might try to get to Nate Solder, get some thoughts of some of the other guys, because I always think the offensive line is the total lifeblood of any team. And then finally, we got a chance to hear from Gronk today. And Gronk commented a little bit about the new training that he's going through with Alex Guerrero and how it has helped him and how he feels better than he's ever felt. So there's plenty to talk about, as there always is during training camp. We'll have it all covered for you on Boston 25 News at 4, 5, and 6, 10, and 11. Always a busy day. Going to go home, take a shower. Next time you see me, I'll have a suit on in the studio. So be good.